Hello everyone. So the module called Website Free Delivery Information will update customer about the free delivery offers and information in the portal. Let me show you how this works. First we go into sales. Over here in the shipping methods, we will create a one shipping method which is free delivery charges. Over here, you will find a new field which is free if order amount is above. So you need to enable this as you need to provide the amount on how much amount you want to give free delivery, as well as if the purchase amount is above 1,000, you will give free delivery. So here I will add the price how much I will charge if the amount is less than 1,000. I will save this out. Once you save this out, let me go into websites. Over here in the website, once I will clear this. Yeah. So I will go into the shop and I will add one product. I will add to cart and let me go into process checkout. So as you can see over here, when you click on process checkout, see the delivery charges is added over here and the subtotal is 860. Here you will get an information like how much you need to order to get the free delivery and as well as a buy more button so you can add more. So now over here, when you again go here, so you will see a information here that when you click over here and you will see all the informations about offer of getting a free delivery. So in this one, you have to place an order of minimum 1,000 to get free delivery. So now I will click on buy more and I will add one or two product over here and I will add it to the cart. And now let me process this order. So as you can see, once is above 1,000, you will get the free delivery offer. So it will show you have one free delivery offer on this order. Let me pay now and it will get paid and the user will get free delivery over here. So this is how this module will help user to get the free delivery offers. Let me go into orders in the backend and as you will see all the orders which is generated. So this is the order in which you will get all the information that these are the two products. So these are the products and you have got a free delivery. So this will all the information for you. And this is how this module offers an information to the user on the portal while they are shopping. So if you have any query, please write down your query in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.